everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so today I'm going to be decorating one of my 4-foot trees. So come out with me, guys. Now this Christmas tree is inspired by Ralph Lauren. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Christmas Tree Decorating Vibes. And this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Debbie Bubbles, we have Jennifer at Home, we have Design with Emma, Donna Decor and More, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Dream with Caroline. As in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. Make sure and full watch the playlist from beginning to end on everybody's video. Click like and leave a beautiful comment. Now also make sure to subscribe to everyone's channel because this helps us to grow. So I'm starting out here with putting one of my Ralph Lauren inspired bows, the bestie bow, on top of this particular tree. I'm also situating it very close to me, guys. So I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so that I can show you how I decided to decorate my tree. And yes, my son will be popping into this video. Not sure exactly when, but you will see him, and it's Matthew. So these poofs that you see me adding to the tree, I made them separately, and I made them in loops of 3. And I think this made the tree, it just kind of took it up another level, and I wish I would have thought of this before. So I hope that you like these. These are so beautiful. Now I had 2 left from the plaid ribbon that I was using, so we're going to add those to the tree as well. So I think this is looking so beautiful. I am loving how this is looking. So we're going to go ahead and start adding some gold bulbs. And I did make on the side a DIY in one of the videos. I made a gingerbread using tumbling tower blocks ornaments, and these are beautiful as well. I decided to go ahead and add them because they reminded me of the plaid. Now, I didn't want to overload the tree, but I am getting ready to show you the gingerbread ornament that I made. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I thought it gave it a nice touch, and I love gingerbread. So we're going to add the ones that I made onto this tree. We're not going to overload the tree, and then we're going to get ready to head on over to the reveal. All right, so momentarily you're going to get to see there's Nala. So Matthew, here he is. This is my handsome son, Matthew. Oh, he's so funny. All right. right, so I think this tree looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal so that you can take a closer look. Now, doesn't this tree look absolutely gorgeous? Now, since the Bestie Bow, I didn't do the long ribbons because I didn't know what I was using it for. Those ribbon loops look gorgeous and ramped it up a level. I think I am loving this tree most of all. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Man, we've had a lot of collabs this week, and all of them successful. Amen.